Good morning, student. So last period we have completed area of triangle. Is it? Everyone has done the problem. I have seen on WhatsApp also that. So now we have to learn volume. Is it? What is the meaning of volume? Volume means that what any object is there, that space is taken, that is means a volume. It means that this is the duster, and duster we are keeping on any place. So on a place, and how much space that duster is taken, that is known as a volume. Understood? So any object is there, you can keep any place, and how much place they have taken, that is known as a volume. See that. Page number 186. We can understand, see that what is this? A bricklayer at a construction site has two kinds of brick. One made of clay and one of concrete. This is a brick. Brick means wheat. So the bricklayer at a construction site has two kinds of brick. One is of clay and one is of concrete. It means one एक मिट्टी की है और एक सीमेंट की है. How does he compare their sizes? When we want to complete the size of solid object, we do so by measuring the amount of space they occupy. This is also called the volume of object. It means how much space that brick occupy, that is known as a volume. We can understand the volume of an object like a bread box by measuring how much it can hold. So let us understand with the example. The twins Shweta and Swati were comparing the size of snack box. The twins sister is there. One name is Shweta and one is Swati. We are comparing the size of snacks boxes. They both are comparing the size of boxes. Then Shweta's box was little longer while Swati's box seemed a little higher. This says that Shweta's box is little longer and Swati's box is little higher. But they could not decide whose box was bigger. But they can't decide that whose box is bigger. Which box is taking more space. So their mother cut their sandwiches into a small piece and told them to find out how many they could fit in each their boxes. Shweta put one layer of 8 pieces. In the box, first Shweta put one layer of the sandwich, 8 pieces. Swati could fit only 6 pieces in one layer of her boxes. Okay, so Swati has put only 6 pieces of that layer. Then she put one layer of 8 pieces. There was no more space left in her snacks box. Okay, then Swati, she could not fit more such a layer in the box. Then the box was full. Only one layer she put it. Second layer. Shweta's box could hold 8 into 2. It means 16 sandwiches piece. And Swati's box could hold third layer. There says that. So Swati, it is 6 into 3, 18 sandwiches in pieces. So Swati's snacks box is bigger because it could hold more space. So we can say that Swati's snacks box has a greater volume than the Shweta's snacks box. The capacity of the Swati's box is more than the Shweta's box. So the volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. So it means that what is the definition of volume? The volume of an object is the amount of space it occupies. Okay, underline this sentence. So in order to find the volume object, fill up with the cubes. Now everyone knows the cubes. Everyone has a cubes. They can play that one. So it is given. One is 1 millimeter. Then second is 1 centimeter. The total box is 1 centimeter. Then whole it is given 1 meter cube. So what this is that 1 millimeter. A millimeter cube mm. It will be small mm we can write in short later, is about the size of grain sugar. Is it? The size of grain of sugar. It means small cubes. It is millimeter. It is given that. So it is the sugar size. It is the in millimeter. Then centimeter is that. The centimeter cube is about size of die. Small it is given. We are playing on Ludo. That is the centimeter cube. And the meter cube is about the size is very large curtain. So it will is the big one is the box. Whatever it will be, it is coming in the cube size. That is known as a box. So millimeter cube is used to measure the volume is very small object. It means a little small one. And the meter cube is used to measure the volume of large object. Okay. So when you measure the cube in millimeter, that time it is the very small object, and you can measure the volume in meter, it is the large one. Underline this both the sentence. See that in blue color box, whether a box is full of empty, it takes up the same amount of space of one your shelf, so both have the same volume. What they say is that whether the box is full or empty, it takes up the same amount of space of your shelf. So both space has a same volume. It means that what they say is that if we are taking any box is there, so if box we can keep on the box, it may be full, it may be keep inside that box anything, or it may be empty. If you can keep in the shelf, in the cupboard, it takes the same space. It is not when full is there, not full is there box, so it does not take a big or more space, or when empty is not there, it takes a less space. The box size is there, that is the space of that box. So it is known as the volume of that box. Okay. So turn the page. What this is that? Again 10 into 4, it is 40 cubes of layer. This box takes a fill of 4. It is the box is given here. Again you can count everything. It is given like that. See that what this says that the volume of the box is said to be 160 cubic centimeter. The unit of measurement of volume is cubic centimeter. It is written as cube centimeter. When you measure the volume, that time you have to write a cubic centimeter, you can write meter, you can write millimeter, whatever it will be, but you have to write cubic, and it is short form is CU. When we can area we can find, that time we are giving a square unit. Is it? We write a square. Perimeter when we can find, that time we can write as it is given centimeter or meter or kilometer, whatever it will be. But when we can find the area, that time we can write a square unit. And when we can find the volume, that time we have to write a cubic. Any problem, but whatever the answer is getting, we have to write a cubic. Remember that when we have to find the area, that time we have to write a square. When we have to find the perimeter, that time we have to write as it is, whatever the unit is given, and volume it is write a cubic. Why it is? When square we can find, that time we can do the multiplication of two term only. Of two term only we are doing the multiplication. When we are finding the perimeter, we are doing the addition of four terms, but we are doing the addition. And in volume we are doing a multiplication, and here is the 3 term. So we are writing the cubic. How many terms in volume? It is the 3 term. So see that what is the 3 terms. So the unit of measurement of volume in cubic centimeter is written as CU centimeter. The volume of the bread box equals to 160 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the bread box. So the 1 millimeter cubes gives the volume in cubic millimeter. It is written as cubic millimeter. And the 1 meter cubes the volume is cubic meter. It is written as CU dot meter. Underline this sentence. Whatever it is given in the dark, you can underline that one. So in this way we have to do. Then how we can find the volume? Important is that calculating volume. It is given that find the volume of this solid. Each cubic 1 centimeter. One layer and that the third layer. 1, 2, 3 layer it is given. It is given everything. But here is given find the volume of each of these. Give the answer in cubic centimeter. So it is given that 2 and 2. So it is 2 and 2 and height is 1. So in this way, but don't do this one, we can find first the how we can calculate the volume. Okay. First we can see the calculating volume. Calculating volume. How we can calculate? See that. We can use a shortcut to calculate the volume of cube or a cuboid. Okay. Cube means a small box. Whole sides are same. It is the square in shape. And cuboid, it is the rectangular in shape. While finding the volume of cube or cuboid, you have been first counting the number of cubes in a layer and then finding the number of layers. So here is the given of the picture of cuboid. Okay, it is given that 2 orange color arrow and 1 blue color or arrow. It is given the scale also there. So cubes per layer multiplied by number of layers equals to volume. This says that while finding the cube or cuboid, we have been first counting the number of cubes in a layer and then finding the number of layer. So this says that cube per layer, cube per layer equal multiply number of layers, equals to volume, It means that cube per layer, it means it is length and breadth. And multiply number of layer, it means it is height. It is known as volume. Okay. So cubes per layer is length and breadth and number of layer means height. So the volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So this can use the shortcut to calculate the volume is that volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and the shortcut method is L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Got? What is the shortcut method? L multiplied by B multiplied by H. So it is given that this can be used a shortcut to calculate the volume. Volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by and height. So it is given here in this box. It is given the length. How many length is given that? How many boxes is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 centimeter. The breadth is given 4 centimeter and the height is given 4 centimeter. Find the volume of cuboid. Okay. We will see that one first. The first problem, the cuboid is given like this. How we have to draw the cuboid? You can draw the box like this, rectangle you can draw, then you can make a 3 lines and then you can join this. This is became a cuboid. This is the length, it is breadth, and this one is the height. Okay, this is the length. This is breadth. And this is height. Okay. So what this says that the volume is length equals to 7 centimeter, breadth equals to 4 centimeter and height equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore, the volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. It it means that 7 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, it is cubic centimeter. 3 times is there, so cubic centimeter. 7 into 4, 7 fours are 28 and 28 into 4. 28 into 4, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 112 cubic centimeter. Is it there? See, right answer. It is 112 cubic centimeter. So, in perimeter we are seeing length and breadth only. In square we are seeing side or length and breadth only. And but in volume we have to see the three terms, that is length, breadth and height. Okay, because volume means we have to occupy the space. So it occupies the space in length and breadth also and in height also. The box we are keeping in the cupboard. So see, turn the page. See the second one. Second question is there. Find the volume of cube. Now it is given the cube. First it is given the cuboid. So it is box is given 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Another word for breadth is width. Another word that breadth is width. Sometimes in example at the place of breadth it is given the width. It means width is the breadth of that object. So the volume of cube equals to length into breadth into height. Everything it is given in 10 centimeter. So the volume equals to 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 into 10 is cubic centimeter and volume equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay. So try this is there. You can try at home. Nothing is there. Everything is given. Only you have to multiply that one. So see the example, exercise 12G. Exercise 12G. Okay. See the first one. Find the volume of solid. Figure is given, length, breadth and height is also given. So you can multiply. You can try yourself. It is very easy. You can multiply. Question number 2. Find the volume of the object. Now it is given a butter box, matchstick box and toothpaste. Length, breadth and height is given. You can multiply and you can find the answer. So question number 1 and question number 2 is very easy. It is given again box and here is the color crayons box. So you can try yourself. Find the volume of each of the following. Okay. Length, breadth and height is given. Only you have to find the volume. Got it? Now you have to complete the table. Question number 4. You can complete the table. See that length, breadth and height and volume it is given. But somewhere is given length, breadth and height, you have to find the volume. Somewhere is given volume, you have to find the breadth or you have to find the height or you have to find the length. It means one box is empty is given for you. You have to find that box. So see in the blue color box is given, divide 120 by the product of 6 and 4 to get the height. Product means multiplication. The answer of multiplication. Got it? So they say that we have to divide to find the height. You have to find the breadth or you have to find the length. Which two values is given, that values we have to multiply and whatever the product is getting, that product we have to divide the volume, then you get the value of that height, length or breadth. So see that question number 4. Complete the table. It is given length, breadth, height and volume. The first one, 3 meter, 8 meter and 7 meter. The volume we have to find. 8 threes are volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height equals to 3 8s are 24 and 24 into 7. 7 4s are 28 to carry. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. It is 168 cubic meter. Okay. Second is given. Second is given 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, height we have to find, and for equals to 120 cubic meter. Okay. Now this says that in the blue color box we have to divide 120 by this product. So 120 is divided by 6 fours are 24. Is it? 24 into 5. Because 5 fours are 20, the last digit, one's digit is 0. So we can think about like that. So 5 fours are 20 to carry, 5 twos are 10, 11, 12. Is it? It means 5. So height is 5 centimeter. Okay. Then see the C1. It is 14 centimeter. We have to find this one, and this is 8 centimeter, and the second is volume is given 448 cubic centimeter. Now we have to multiply this both and then we have to divide. So 14 into 8. 8 fours are 32, 3 carry, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 112. And 448 divided by 112. Now 112, we should not know the table, but only we can think the last digit. Okay, it is 2 and the last digit it is 8. So 112 multiplied by 4, because 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. What is that? 4. It is 448. Is it? It means it is 4 centimeter. Got? Then D1 is there. Now we have to find the length. Breadth is given 11 millimeter and height is given 10 millimeter. And the volume is given 1210 cubic millimeter. Now 11 into 10. It means 110. Is it? Multiplication is 110. Now we have to divide 1210. Okay. Now we can divide it by what we can divide? Now we can divide it by, we can try to divide because we don't know the 1 to 1 it is coming. We can divide by 10 is 0, 2, 2, it is 220. Is it? Now we can divide. So we have to think it is coming 1 to 1. How it is coming? So it is 12, we can divide 0 to 1. Then we can multiply by, again no, we can divide it by 11. So it is coming 1 to 1. 1, 1, 1, it is divided by 11, it is 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Then it will be 0, then 1 ones are 1 and 1 ones are 1. It is 0, 1, 2, 1. Is it? It means it is 11. 1, 2, 1, 0. So this is the 11 millimeter. Got it? So in this way we can complete the table. It means that nothing is there. You can solve yourself. If you do the practice, then you can understood. Simple multiplication is there into length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. You can complete it. Question number 4 I have given to you. Then question number 5 I will send on WhatsApp. Okay. So here we complete the exercise 12G. That is the volume. Volume is very easy. Remember the formula, that is volume equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Understood? What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. What is the formula of area? Length multiplied by breadth, or square we can take on, that is side multiplied by side. And volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So finding the volume of other shape. Other shape means it is given the bottle, then that bottles, that plastic cap is there. So it is given the ml, whatever it will be. So no need to do. Then chapter checkup. Chapter checkup, you can try yourself. Find the perimeter of area. I have given all the problem. Then square is given side centimeter. It means square is side into side, because we have to find the perimeter and area also. The perimeter of square is sum of all side, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, and area of the square, it is given side into side. So 7 into 7. Then rectangle is given. The side is 5 millimeter and 11 is another is 11 meter. It means that breadth is 5 centimeter and length is 11 meter. So rectangle is length into breadth, that is the area, and perimeter sum of all sides. So 5 plus 11 plus 5 plus 11. Okay. Question number 2. Find the area of the shape in square unit. You can try only A1. Don't do of B. Then which unit will use to measure the areas? Square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer? Mobile phone, it is square centimeter. Then the base of the glass in centimeter, large of curtain in meter, area of zoo in kilometer, area of fedora in kilometer, and area of watch dial, it is in centimeter. Use the shortcut. Question number 4. Use the shortcut to find the volume of cuboid. Now it is given the volume. We have to find. It is given, first is given a dial, then second is given eraser, third is given a blade, I think it will be, and second is fourth is given the aluminum foil. Length, breadth and height is given. You can find it. Then find the volume of this shape. You can give in cubic centimeter. Don't do this one. And question number 6, 7 and 8 I will send on WhatsApp. It is the word problem. Okay. So you can complete this one. Next time I will teach you the next chapter, that is time and temperature. Got?